Hello, welcome to Salary Box. If you want to see the pending salary of employee which is yet to be paid, then you have to click on the name of the employee, and here you can see the pending salary amount of current month which is yet to be paid. And here you can see the pending salary amount of previous months that you can clear by clicking on clear balance. And you can also change the month and see the pending salary amount of each month. To see the salary calculation of employee in detail, click on show salary slip. And here you can see the salary calculated for the current month is this. And to see how this salary is calculated, click on show salary breakdown. And here you can see the total earnings of employee which is calculated by adding base salary, overtime pay, bonuses and other payments. By clicking on show calculation here, you can see how the base salary of the employee is calculated. In deductions, you can see how much salary of employee is deducted in penalty, ESI and PF. And that's how you can easily check how your employee's salary is calculated in Salary Box. Here in amount paid, you will see the amount that you have already paid to the employee. And here also you can see the pending amount of previous months which has not been paid yet and it has now been added to the current month. From here also you can clear this balance by clicking on clear balance. And to download and see the salary breakup of employee, just click on download here and the salary slip of the employee will be downloaded. Thanks for watching. Download link of Salary Box app is given in description.